I have the fabric from the hem and the net, and I'm going to layer that underneath the tear. A couple other products I didn't show you yesterday is Fray. Several different companies make this. This is more like Elmer's glue. It's white but dries clear. It is flexible when it dries, but it's thicker. This is clear, dries clear, very liquidy, but it has a little bit of a crust when it's dry. I like to try all of this on a scrap, make sure it doesn't darken the color too much. This doesn't have to have fray check on it. I do like repairs to last the lifetime of the garment, of course, but once this is all stable, it probably doesn't need fray check, but I like to do it if it doesn't discolor the fabric very much. So I just put the fray check in a little piece of foil and paint it on. And I just let it dry a little bit and see how I like it, the color. I really think that will be fine, and it'll make the tear much more stable. Here is the sample piece dry. I hit it with the blow dryer to speed up the process. And you can't even tell I fray checked it, and it feels pretty soft still. So I'm going to use fray check on that tear. Just going to cut out the excess little threads here. Before I fray check. Okay, so I just take a little on the brush and paint the edges. Sometimes all I do, you can see that this edge has a little bit of tear here, or a little bit of shredding. Just paint that with fray check, and it won't actually need any more stabilization. Or a lot of times fray check is the perfect tool to repair any shredding or holes that don't need any further reinforcements. Another thing I wanted to say quickly while this is drying is this piping along the neckline and the shoulder, that's very sturdy. So that's taking all the weight. If it wasn't so, this would need probably a lot more reinforcement than I'm going to give it. But this is taking all the weight of the dress, and it's very structurally sound and very secure. So we're lucky that this little spot is going to have a good foundation.